Ready to go play?
Here we go. We're gonna go play. Shh! Don't tell the wife. We're hunting dumbasses. Oh, never mind. That's us. We're gonna go have some fun. Yeah. This is so cool. How big?
Hell yeah!
So, my whole thing. Is I haven't been able to do a burnout for a while. Hopefully that's broken. So finally got the 410 gears in. They're from USA Gears, and then I've also got the FGI 2800 stall converter on my rig. I can do a burnout with those now, and that it's failed non-stop. So the only thing that changed it was I put on a different exhaust. Now I don't think that's it, or it could just be the break-in time for the stall converter, but we're just kind of running it. I do need to go get another tune. Maybe I'll have enough time, or maybe Bert will have enough time to, you know, tune it for me. Just plug it in, because I'm not doing a dyno tune. I've already had a tune from him before, but had some issues with my O2 sensors and all this other stuff. So what I'm going to do here shortly is just, yeah, hopefully we'll get it tuned, and hopefully that'll fix her up, because I cleaned out the throttle body positioning sensor, cleaned out the throttle body, cleaned out the spark plugs, I fixed the exhaust leak, and on GM motors they have an issue with, you know, once you touch the throttle body, because the PCM relearns everything, you know, on certain trips and stuff like that, it'll just kind of relearn it every once in a while. What'll happen is it needs to relearn. And sometimes it takes a couple hundred miles to relearn if it doesn't work on the 3 minutes for the reprogram time. Now, when you reprogram a GM throttle body, you have to leave it in park as soon as you start the truck, or any GM throttle body. Give it 3 minutes in park, shut it off for 60 seconds, and then you've got to start it again, leave it in park for 30 seconds again, and then it should be good to go. So right now, we're going to do some more videos, and they're just popping again, but I think we'll be okay. Fighting some daylight right now, but we're gonna do some burnouts. Okay, go for it. Sorry. I am now leaving Biggs's house, and I do have a misfire in cylinder 3. I'm trying to figure out what's going on and actually what happened. I have no idea. When I replaced and cleaned the throttle body, I didn't even touch anything except for, you know, cleaning the spark plugs out, something like that. So I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. We took out the spark plug again for cylinder 3. We cleaned it up, and you know, we put it back in, and it's still kind of doing it keeps misfiring in cylinder 3, which is weird. So what I did is I went ahead and unplugged the coil pack that I have, because they're all individual units, thank God. I unplugged that, and there it goes again, misfiring, and it was running exactly the same. So I'm thinking it might be a coil pack that's went out, which is just kind of really weird, because I never had an issue before. So I'm hoping that is the only issue. So I'll find out, and I'll get back with you guys here shortly. But enjoy the burnouts, and we had fun. So catch you guys back here in a little bit. Thanks. So I still don't know what's going on. I spent a few hours last night trying to go through and clean everything off. I'm still misfiring. It's still not throwing the code, which is the weirdest thing, because I know it's misfiring. cylinder number 3 was misfiring a lot. So what I did is I switched the coil packs, and I'm waiting for it to throw code to see if it's still cylinder number 3. Because if it is, that means my coil pack's bad. If it's not misfiring on cylinder 3 and it's misfiring on cylinder 1, then I will know for sure it's the coil pack. But right now I can't tell, and I don't know how it happened. All I did was clean some stuff, so we'll figure it out. So hopefully here soon, because it's starting to really piss me off. But what's up, Soul Crates fam? So to end this video, it's been like 4 days long trying to get this thing done. I'm with my boy Matt, Scut Matt, and yeah, we're sitting on my love seat outside, waiting for a lady to come pick it up. So besides all that, misfire problem. If you look very closely, if I can get this thing to focus, so you see that the black spot and the little strike right there. Also on this side, it's got a little crack. I don't know what happened. I mean, it's a fluke deal. I literally just bought these spark plugs. So for the one on cylinder 3, now I replaced it. I mean, $8 later. Spark issue is finally fixed. She runs great. Tomorrow, I'll just include that footage in the one for Thursday. I'm gonna go and get my truck just retuned, get it all done, and then just kind of guys show you the process on that, and then we'll just go out and do some race times. What I'll probably also end up doing is doing my 0 to 60 before, so you guys can see what it is before the tune, because I just took it back down to stock, and then I'll show you after my 0 to 60. So hopefully there will be some changes there. Like I said, it's 4.8. I'm not done with it. But until next time, guys, I'll catch you later. Peace. Say peace, Matt.
Peace.